Hey guys, it's Naeem. So my dad got home and he spotted a bird behind our door. So I think it's something to do with Fuzzy. So when I got home 2:30, I didn't even realize. And the time now is 4:57. So I'm going to speed it up and we will do a prank on Mika, my sister.
Move it away with the scorpions. Put the scorpion behind it. Just slot it down the back. Yes. Gently. No, push it down. Push it down first. More forward. Push more forward. Yeah, there we go. More. Okay, now you put the scorpion down. Don't be scared.
Don't want to touch his face.
You're not touching it.
Oh, the eyes are closed now.
Right.
Here we go. It's not even 5 o'clock, so we do have.
So not the packet.
The bird's underneath.
What?
It's underneath. Look. It's like
Bleeding.
it's like open.
Yeah. Cat put it open. Probably ate its heart.
Maybe it was other cats, because like
But how did it get inside? Only Fuzzy will bring it inside.
maybe it was just like dead first, and then Fuzzy just brought it in.
So, do you not?
I don't know. I used to love these packets. Wait, do I guys?
Make a bigger loop first. Yes, further down, yes. Now, make your loop. Not so tight. Make a bigger loop. 2 fingers. Yes, and now, through, now this way.
Oh, like that.
Yes.
Okay.
Take your fingers out, push it through, pull it through. Oh man. Okay, I'm recording now. No, not under, just put it on a bed. Yes. Just put it on a bed.
And it's like sitting there.
Big broom, and then you sweep all.